If working hard and making money is the American dream, not working hard and making money is the Instagram dream. But making serious income using social media requires some serious strategy. Whether you're a creator or a business, you'll find the most success in making money on Instagram if you do your research. In this video, we are talking about how to make money on Instagram with and without followers. But before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Making money on Instagram, it's the dream. You just post a pretty picture, watch the likes and comments roll in, and wait for that sweet moolah to hit your bank account. Heaven. It's a shame it's a privilege only by aspirational influencers with hundreds of thousands and followers and a verified tick, right? Well, not exactly. In our global digital marketplace, you actually no longer need to be an influencer in the traditional sense to make money online. Sure, some people have a much larger reach and impact than others, but the truth is, we're all influencers these days. If you've ever influenced someone in your life to buy something, whether it's convincing your friend to buy that dress that looks amazing on her, or your partner that you really do need a Dyson vacuum cleaner, then guess what? You're an influencer. And in 2023, there's way more ways to make money on Instagram than just posing in a bikini with a fat loss supplement. With a little creativity, expertise, and authenticity, you can turn posts into profits, whether you have 500 followers or 5,000. Become an affiliate. If you have products you genuinely use and love, you could be making money promoting them. And you don't need a 6-digital follower account to do it. Affiliate programs allow you to earn money through referring products or services to your audience. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program for a brand. Think a shoe company you love or an app you use every day, and you get your own unique tracking code. Then you would post about the product or service and pop that link somewhere your followers can access it. Think your Instagram bio or Facebook caption. Anytime someone purchases one of their products through your link, you can earn a commission on it, which can be anywhere from 10% to 70% of the retail price. Pretty cool, right? Sell your intellectual property. Are you an expert in a particular industry? Or perhaps you have a topic that you could talk about until you're blue in the face, whether it's clay pottery or legal contracts. Almost everyone has an area they could be getting paid to teach others about. One of the easiest ways to do this is to create a simple ebook using an app like Canva, which you can find nestled within the Plan app, then host it online using software like Selfie. If you have a bit more time on your hands and are tech savvy, you could also sell a masterclass on an online course using an app like Kajabi, Podia, or even Squarespace's new membership feature. Pop the link in your bio for your followers to buy, ideally with a call to action in your bio so they know it's there, and don't forget to talk about it on your socials. Become a brand ambassador. Similar to affiliate programs, becoming a brand ambassador is a great way to earn some extra coin by posting about things you're already passionate about. And the good news is, brand ambassador roles are no longer just for C-list celebrities. More and more brands are looking to regular people with loyal followings to spread the word about their brand. Think about it. Are you more likely to buy a product that a good friend recommended to you or an ex-reality TV star? Often, brand ambassadors get free products in return for posting about products or services on their feeds, but in some cases, they can get paid to do it too. The best way to nab yourself a brand ambassadorship is to post about the products and services you use and make sure to tag them. Then, once you've been doing that consistently, reach out to them to see if they work with brand ambassadors. Sell your images. If you're handy with a camera, or even just the camera on your smartphone, you could be making money from your Instagram photos. Company like Instaprints, 2020, and Clashot accept high-quality image submissions into their database. They then allow other people to purchase those photos, or in Instaprint's case, people can get your pictures printed on shirts, mugs, and more. And you get paid. It's an excellent way to get paid for the images you're already posting on Instagram. Need a little help getting your images to look Insta-worthy? Check out our suite of editing tools to take your photos from meh to majestic. Dropship. Another way to make money on social media without a big following. Dropshipping. This is when you create or customize a product, then work with a business like Printed Mint or Printify, who will manufacture and send the products on demand. That way, you only pay for the costs involved when someone actually orders one of your products. It's an excellent way to create a mini Instagram-based business without having loads of overhead. Sell a service. We know that selling a product or service online might sound a little too much like a job, but there are some relatively low overhead services you can provide to those who follow you on social media. Some ideas to consider involve coaching or consulting in your area of expertise. You can leverage a loyal social media following to book out spots in your schedule. Promote special offers. The online audience is a sucker for a good deal. And Instagram users love to buy stuff. 44% of Instagrammers say they use the app to shop weekly. Use Instagram to showcase all the great things about your company. Specifically, anytime you're having a sale. Not only does posting your sale, promo code, or special offer on Instagram advertise a sale to your followers, but it also makes the information easily shareable. This holiday sale post from clothing brand @SmashTess has lots of comments that are just people tagging their friends. It's an awesome way to promote the sale and also have the sale shared organically. Set up a chatbot. An easy way to provide excellent customer service and make sales through direct messages is to set up an Instagram chatbot. A chatbot is integrated directly into your Instagram account and website and can answer any frequently asked questions from your followers. If the question is too complicated for the conversational AI chatbot, then it will automatically pass the inquiry to a real-life member of your team. Partner with creators. Influencers marketing allows you to share your company with your creator's audience, and the creator also gets a spotlight for your audience. It's a win-win. When you're researching folks to collaborate with, make sure you pay attention to their content and values. You want to pick someone who has goals that align with your own, so the partnership makes sense to customers and doesn't seem like some oddball marketing scheme. For example, it makes sense for a plant-based bakery to partner with a vegan influencer. More sense than Bill Nye partnering with Coca-Cola, that's for sure. Enable live badges. For creators in the US, Instagram's live badges is a method of making money directly through the app. During an Instagram video, viewers can purchase the badges, which cost between 99 cents and $4.99, to show their support. To turn on live badges, go to your profile and tap Professional Dashboard, then enable Instagram monetization. Once you've been approved, you'll see a button called Set Up Badges. Tap that and you're good to go. If you've enabled live badges, make sure to mention it when you go live. Remind your followers that if they'd like to show their support with money, it's easy to do so, and express gratitude when someone purchases a badge. Saying thank you goes a long way and will likely encourage other people to pitch in. Sell your merch. Using Instagram as a marketing tool for your other revenue streams is a great strategy for money making. If you've curated your personal brand enough to have a certain look, logo, catchphrase, or anything else that's recognizably you, consider selling merch that's splashed with that extra sparkle, your brand. You can make money from sales, plus score some free advertising when your followers start walking around with your name on their sweatpants. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel.